Hello everyone, let's get this review for the month of May going because it is summertime now, so everybody's spending a lot of time outside, and really I also personally don't want to spend a lot of time looking at EAs or trading. I would rather be outside and enjoy the weather, spend time with friends and family. So this is what it's all about, to make yourself more time using technology. So let's dig in. Social trading had a good month. In May, Fingo Pro 1 made a little over 2% and Fingo Pro 5 made 3.58% of profit. So these are like, it's called social trading. I would say it's like an extra pension fund in your portfolio because they are running more conservative and they are quite stable. Fingo Pro 5 has been running for over 2 years. I think soon it's going to be 2.5 years full. And Fingo Pro 1 is slightly less. Let's continue with Kratos. Kratos Classic made 2.48% in the month of May, which this account has been running for over 2 years and has made over 140%. In this time period, Kratos X is running the latest settings, so this account has not been running for a long time. It made 3.5% in the month of May, and all time is about 10%. Kratos Elite is running also a customized settings on my account, and it made 1.24% in the month of May, which adds this account up to about 18%. When it comes to Kratos Elite, now if you are not aware, you can actually go on Auvoria's website and you will find settings for pairs for Kratos Elite that have been optimized. So this brings the game of Kratos Elite or trading onto the next level, because every pair will have its own customized settings, optimized settings based on the last 10 years of data, which is great. Let's continue with Flash and Gearbox 3.0. Flash made 3.45% in the account that I'm observing, and then Gearbox 3.0 made about 5% in the month of May. Both accounts are doing well. Flash account has been running also for a long time, over a year, if I remember correctly, and it has made about 47%. And the Gearbox 3.0 account, I think it started in February, something like that, running default settings but just lower lot size than I usually did, and it has also been doing great. All in all, if you are outside of the States and you are not using social trading, you should seriously consider it, because as you saw, Fingo Pro 5 has been running for over 2 years, 2.5 years it will be soon, and it's been doing great for customers. And of course, nobody knows what the future is exactly going to bring, but if things continue the way they have, the future looks bright for social trading and for all the EAs that Kratos is using. And of course, if you are somebody who has used Auvoria Prime products in the past but stopped for whatever reason, now is a good time to restart your journey, because things have developed a lot and now we have a long track record, so you can be more certain that things are going well in the company. Take care and see you in the next monthly review.